Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is İçin and in today's video I will be showing you how Turkish people make stuffed bell peppers with ground beef. So guys, all things you will need is 500 grams of ground beef, in total of 14 bell peppers, 2 onions, 2 tablespoons of butter, 1 bunch of chopped parsley, 150 grams of tomato sauce, 100 grams of rice, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and salt. So now we are going to start by putting our ground beef into a bowl, and we are going to add our onion, our tomato sauce, rice, our parsley, black pepper, and salt. And now all you're gonna do is knead this mixture until they are nicely mixed to each other. Continue kneading until they're mixed well. So guys, as you can see, I have taken out the insides of the bell peppers, so now they're empty, that I can do it like this. So now all you're gonna do is you're gonna get from your meat mixture and you're gonna put it inside the bell peppers nicely. Make sure it's all full. As you can see, I am putting it until it's nicely full. And when you've done all of them, I am going to put butter pieces on my bell peppers, and then I'm going to start cooking them. What you're gonna do is you're gonna take your butter pieces and you are going to put them on the bell peppers. You need to put it in all of them one by one. I know it looks a bit big of butter, and I know some of you will be like, oh my god, what's that? But once you eat it, I guarantee you will fall in love with this recipe. It will be very delicious. Just put all the butter and you won't regret. This is a very famous meal in Turkey and I love this food. So now, as you have buttered up all your bell peppers, all you need left is you are going to put 2 cups of water inside your pot. After you have done that, just leave your pot right there for it to cook nicely for about 30 minutes in total. As you can see now, they are all cooked because they have changed colors. And as you can see guys, the rice is bigger now. Our rice has cooked and that we can see it, that it's cooked very nicely. Thank you guys for watching this video until now. If you like this video, don't forget to give a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I make videos every week, so make sure to stay tuned when I post them. See you in another video of mine. Bye!